Hello and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my 2025 Project Pan intro. This year I'm doing it a little bit differently. Last year I focused on usage goals and using favorite products and using stuff up, and the goals I set for myself are just way too difficult for me. So this year I'm focusing on both skincare, hair care, and makeup. Anything essentially beauty related, and I'm only doing 5 items at a time. So between this and then my eyeshadow project pan, I am actually panning 10 items total. I'm just doing them from 2 different projects. And I'm also focusing on things that I can realistically use up. I want to do something from every category in my collection, rotating throughout the year. But I'll go ahead and explain that as time goes on. Let me just go ahead and start with the 5 items that I am panning. Now, to start off the year, I'm mostly focusing on skincare, but that will transform into beauty. What I'm doing is basically just starting at the top of my beauty drawers and working my way down and just picking one from each category. So they're not really in an order, they're just kind of at where I'm at. But I'll go ahead and start with my toner. I am using the Neutrogena alcohol-free toner. This is the oldest one in my collection, and I'm about right there when I hold it up and down and still. My goal on this is to actually use this 50 times and see where I am at by the end of it. If it is something I feel like I can realistically use up, I'll go ahead and continue doing that. For my serum, I am going to roll this in because I am like a month away from finishing it off. So I'm right there after 3 months of use. So I don't think this will take me more than a month to pan. And then after that, I am going to go in with my Belief Beauty. This is just a sample size of their moisturizer. And I feel like I can probably finish this up this month as well. Possibly next month at the very latest, but I don't think it'll be too long. And then these last 2 items might take a little bit longer, but I've got one, which is the Clinique Even Better Eyes. This is the oldest eye cream in my collection. I'm about right here. I'm anticipating it being like spring, maybe summer by the time I finish it. This is my favorite one, so I figured why not pan it? I'm getting close to being done with it, and maybe I'll repurchase it when I'm done. And then the last item is from Volley Balm. It's a sweet orange and coconut lip balm. I had to guess where I'm at, but upon squeezing the air out, I think I'm about right here. I marked it. I don't know how well it's going to show up on camera, but I'm about right here. So again, it'll probably be more like spring, summer by the time I finish it up, but I do want to completely use this up as well. Not that exciting, but I am looking forward to panning this year. I like the direction I'm going. I think it's going to be a little bit easier, and I think I can get more panned over the course of the year. So we will just see where we're at. And like I said, there's not really a huge method. I'm literally just starting at the top of my makeup drawers and working my way down. I've got the IKEA like Alex drawer style, so and just picking one thing from each category. My goal is to either use up or hit 50 uses on at least one thing from each category throughout the year. And whatever I don't hit on this year, that'll just be my starting point for next year, but I'll worry about next year when next year's comes. I'm just excited to start this out. I promise you there will be more makeup going forward. This is just kind of where I'm at. Anyway, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. So if that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button, and if not, but you still want to stick around, I'd love to have you hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.